Hi Geometry, this is Unit 5, Lesson 6, page 555 of our workbook. So we are going to compute the volume of each of these cubes. The volume of this cube, which is a type of rectangular prism, is the length times the width times the height. So for the first one, my volume would be 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 8 meters cubed. For my second one, the volume would be 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125 feet cubed. For my third one, I have my 1 times 1 times 1, or 1 centimeter cubed. And finally, for my last one, my volume would be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. And if I kept that in fraction form, that would be 1/8 when I multiply across the top and across the bottom, centimeters cubed. Or if I used my calculator, 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5 would give me 0.125 centimeters cubed. So I want to talk about how volume changes. We have learned that the image length, image width, image perimeter, anything that's a distance is equal to my scale factor times my original length, my original perimeter, my original distance. We have learned that the image area changes differently. Area changes by my scale factor squared times my original area. And finally, my volume, my image volume, is going to change by my scale factor cubed. Let's take a look at that in this activity we did here. Let's say my original, let me change colors here. This is my original cube, and it's dilated to become this cube. My scale factor would be 5 in this example because my side lengths got 5 times longer. My width is 5 times longer, my length is 5 times longer, my height is 5 times longer. The area of my side changed by 5 squared. If I do the area of my front side, 1 times 1, I can see I would get 1 squared. If I do the area of my front side, I see that I get 5 times 5, or 25. However, my volume, let's look at my volume. My original volume is 1 cubic centimeter, and my image volume is 125. I guess the units are different here. You'll have to change them for this example in your mind. So they're both centimeters or both feet. You can't have different units. But the point I was trying to make is that the volume changes by 5 cubed, 5 times 5 times 5, or 125. So let's take a look at that in a problem. Can we flip to your next page 557? How do we use this equation? It says, suppose a triangular prism has a surface area. So this is my original area of 84 square centimeters, okay? And a volume of 36 cubic centimeters. So this is my original volume. So then the prism is dilated by a scale factor of 4. It's getting 4 times bigger. All of my side lengths just got 4 times bigger. But what's happening to my area and my volume? So it says calculate the new surface area. So my image area is going to be my scale factor squared times my original area, which is the 84. So I would plug that into my calculator. 16 times 84 would give me 1,344 centimeters squared. That's my new area. When it gets 4 times bigger, the area increases by 16 times. And now let's do my image volume. So now my image volume is going to be 4 cubed times 36, my original volume. Now 4 cubed is 64, 4 times 4 times 4 on my calculator, or 4 cubed, times 36, which is 2,304 centimeters cubed. Remember, volume is cubic. So my volume isn't 4 times bigger. My volume is 64 times bigger. So my area is 16 times bigger. My volume is 64 times bigger when my side lengths all change by a factor of 4. Thank you.